If you're a photographer, videographer or artist of any kind, I imagine that, like me, at one time or another, you have found yourself stuck in a creative rut, feeling unfulfilled and maybe even questioning whether or not you should even be doing this thing you love. Well, back in 2013, I decided to become a professional photographer and filmmaker. But after only a couple of years in, I nearly quit. I nearly quit because I felt unfulfilled. That spark had just gone in me. I was working all the time, but not in the way that felt challenging or allowed me to be creative. I missed doing personal work when I told myself, what have you got to lose? I missed how it used to feel when I first picked up a camera and started doing photography, when I had no pressure to do a good job. It was just fun. And that's why we get into it, right? Because it's fun. You didn't mind taking risks. You didn't mind experimenting with your camera or your lights. So why do we lose this feeling sometimes? I didn't want to experiment or try something different in front of paying clients because if it went wrong, I would have felt really embarrassed, so I didn't want to do anything new. But this fear trapped me in a pattern of just repeating the same old stuff again and again and not progressing. So I decided to do one personal project a month, photographing one idea a month for me, no one else. Just doing this has made me fall in love with photography all over again and got me out of that creative rut. For me, the key to success is progression. If you're not progressing or trying something new, you're not succeeding. Well, what inspires new ideas for me is music. Music has the power to inspire so many creative ideas in me and the power to move an audience emotionally. That's why I love to use MusicBed and have used their site for all of my previous videos online. They have playlists to get you inspired for your next personal project, as well as incredible browse features for you to find the perfect track effortlessly. They have licensing options for every type of creative, so now I can monetize my videos for YouTube using, in my opinion, the best source for highly creative music. Their site is just awesome. So if you're a photographer or any type of creative, try doing one personal project a month and do something you've always wanted to try, you've never had the chance to do. Get yourself out of that creative rut, get yourself out of that comfort zone, and use a personal project to try something different. What have you got to lose?